Hey guys, okay, so here is number 3 of our parent education videos. Today we're going to talk about three more other processes or skills that we can practice and work on to help support your child's awareness with phonemes or phonological awareness. So the 3 things we're going to talk about today. First one is syllable awareness. Clapping syllables, which we've done this in class. The other 2 are related. It's IDing the initial sound of a word or the end sound of a word. Okay, so as you guys have seen in class, when we are doing syllable awareness and clapping the syllables, what I'm talking about and helping the kids recognize is that one syllable has to have one vowel. So if if a word only has one vowel, it will have one syllable. If it has 2 vowels, then it will have 2 syllables. So instead of, especially at this age, instead of saying how many syllables do we have, I've tried to interchange of how many vowels do we have. So for example, basketball is a-e-ah is our 3 vowels, so it has 3 syllables. Basketball. So if you're practicing this at home with your child, what I would recommend is either, if you want to write down the word, say the word once and have them, okay, let's say the vowels that are in this word, ah. Then, okay, how many is that? Ah. That's 3. So the word basketball has 1, 2, 3 syllables. Let's practice clapping it. Basketball. Because what can happen at this age is kids are clapping the sounds that they say. So basketball has it has probably, I think, 6 or 7 sounds in it. So ask, it, o. If you were to clap every sound. With that one, that's a little longer, obviously, but like with the word rock, kids might go rock because they're saying the K sound at the end and they think that the K is a syllable. So that's just a little tip or idea for if you're practicing syllables, to listen for the vowels, and that's going to help cue your child on how many syllables are in a word. The last 2 ones I'm going to talk about, because they are related, they're very similar processes, we just practice them separately, is IDing the beginning or the end sound of a word. So a great way to do this is, let's say the word is cat. Okay, here's the word cat. What is the first sound that we hear? Let's sound it out. K-at. What's the first sound we hear? K. So when I say cat, what's the first sound you hear? K. And practicing it that way a few times. Now you can do the same thing when you're doing it at the end of the word. Again, let's use our example cat. Okay, let's say the word cat. What is the last sound that we hear in the word cat? Let's sound it out. K-a-t. T. That's the last sound we hear. T. Let's say it. Cat. We hear the T at the end. Again, it's helping your child learn and understand the vocab of first and last, right? The sound that is at the beginning, the sound is at the end, and also having their ears, training their brain to listen for the last or first sound that they hear. How this skill can help, especially as children are beginning to learn to read, is when they are sounding out words, when they are looking at a word and they can see that's a C or that's a K. In the example of cat, it's a C. It makes a hard sound, k. That means the first sound I'm going to say is k. It has to start with k because that's the first letter that I see. So again, it's just helping training that process. If you guys have questions about things you can do at home to help your child with their phonological awareness, like I said, we do some of those listening activities here in class, but I'm happy to provide you with some other resources if you are interested in those. Have a great day. Let me know if you guys have questions about anything, and I will see you guys later.